Peace and blessings, community. First of all, we've made it. We've made it towards the end of the year. And as you already know, it is 12/12. So it's the 12/12 portal. It is the new moon of December. And it is also the day that I officially start VLOGZAA here in this Red Tent and Yoni Love Herbals community. So if you are new to the community, we will be doing 21 straight days of videos where I come and I do vlog uploads to the community and show you guys some of this behind the scenes of how we operate and how I basically run my business, in addition to some things dealing with my life. But before we get into that, if you are new to the community, if you have not already, make sure that you go and you subscribe to the channel, push the notification bell so you can be updated each and every time I upload a brand new video during this VLOGZAA, and of course the times to come. And hold on real quick, because my lips is kind of dry, child. I got my new chapstick, and I'm not really a lipstick person. Like, if you're part of my community, then you already know that I'm not really a lipstick girl. This is, speaking of vlogs, right? This is one of my favorite chapsticks. It is from my wellness club that I'm a part of. Can you guys see that? Okay, anyway, it is called Sunshades and it's pina colada flavored. Amazing. Anyway, let's get back into this. So we're going to be doing 21 straight days of VLOGZAA. I'll be coming and giving you guys vlogs, showing you some of the behind the scenes of how I run my Yoni semen business, how I do my planning and things like that for the year. The new year is coming. I know I have a lot of sisters in the community who have just recently joined, who are entrepreneurs, who are looking for guidance to be able to run their Yoni semen businesses, and who are trying to just figure out, you know, how to basically plan and get their year together. Let me also say, please, if you have not already, click the link down below. It is a link to go and follow me on TikTok. Make sure you go follow me on TikTok. We will be doing a live womb manifestation party on TikTok. So I'm super excited about that. But without further ado, let's just get into it. So today I have a couple of things that I need to do. We kind of been sold out a lot during like the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales that we had, and we've been having a lot of orders. Also right now, if you don't know, if you did not get an email, all the products on the website are pretty much 50% off right now in light of the new moon. So if you are interested in trying our Yoni semen blends, our herbal supplements, our herbal tea blends, our Yoni steaming gowns, our smoking blends, our bulk herbs, I mean, you name it, it's on sale right now. All of the steam, so the detoxing, the mystery, and the regular steaming blends, all of it is on sale, 50% off. So if you have not already, go check it out on the website. I will also put that link down below. So today I actually have to restock the black Jamaican castor oil that we recently started selling on Black Friday. I also have to restock all of the Zen by Yoni Love Herbals products that we just launched last night that are live on our website. If you don't know, Zen by Yoni Love Herbals is basically our collection that helps you to set the tone and the mood in your house and in your Yoni semen space to be able to give you the best Yoni semen experiences. So for me, it was a big birth that I had to do, because setting the energy, if you're a part of my community and you've been here for a while, then you already know, but setting the energy is so freaking important to me. That sage, baby, it's important. That Palo Santos, it's important. That incense that you have in your space, important. The candles you use, important. Like, the list goes on and on and on. So we're going to be having new rollouts that are going to be uploading to the website every single week. So make sure that you're going and you're checking on a regular basis. But we do have a couple of things that were added. So all of our incense, all of our smudges, all of our incense holders, all of our sage were added last night. But we're going to be having affirmations coming / wall art. We're going to be having some cozy blankets because the winter time is coming, baby. So we need to make sure that we're staying warm and we're staying cozy during the winter season, especially when you are doing Yoni semen. So I'm going to be putting some of my favorite cozy blankets inside of the Zen by Yoni Love Herbals collection as well. We are going to be having some more tea blends coming, so look for those, and a bunch of other things. So I will, of course, be uploading videos every time we release something new, but I just wanted to give you that update. So we do have to restock the black Jamaican castor oil. I know I mentioned that. We do have to restock all of the Zen by Yoni Love Herbals collection items. We're going to put those away into our drawers, and I do have to do some waist beading, but that will probably be the vlog that I do tomorrow, because during the Black Friday sale we pretty much got sold out. So I need to go and restock the waist beads, and of course add some new blends up onto the website as well. So this is going to be really fun, because I never really do behind the scenes, but I'm looking forward to building with the community. If you have any questions during any of this time, please do not hesitate to come and ask me. If you have questions about how to run your Yoni steam, if you have your Yoni steam in business, if you have questions on, you know, like how do you do your Yoni steam, if you have anything that you want me to cover during VLOGZAA, make sure you just drop it down in the comment box below so that I can try to prepare a video for you and put that into our VLOGZAA repertoire. Let's just get into it. Okay, so as I stated, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna restock our oils, but Yoni Lovers pretty much got a whole upgrade during the Black Friday / Cyber Monday sale time. And so now our regular womb massage oils, I'm gonna try to make this focus in. Is it gonna focus in? Focus in for me. Anyway, Yoni Love Herbals got our regular womb massage oil and all of our Yoni steam, all of our Yoni steam, all of our womb massage oils. It's not focusing. All of our womb massage oils are infused with calendula, lavender, rose petals, and they also come with a rose quartz crystal that is inserted into the womb massage oil. And these are our general womb massage oils. The difference between the two is one of them is just general, you know, when you're Yoni steaming use. The other one is for like daily healing castor oil, like break down fibroids and cysts. I'm going to do a whole nother vlog that's going to talk about the benefits of castor oil though, so that you guys will be fully aware of everything. And then this one is our Jamaican black castor oil. Also with this one though, we did infuse it with calendula, lavender, rose petals, and also rose quartz crystals. So ooh, y'all about to drop it. So this is our 2 oils. So we're going to restock both of these in our fixture that's near the front door, and then we'll jump into the next part.
Is this what you want now?
Okay, so as I mentioned, just yesterday we released, or actually earlier today, we released our Zen by Yoni Love Herbals collection. And so all of those products are being restocked as well. I'm going to put those underneath our like main fixture so that they can be held in boxes. I get some questions sometimes about like what I use to be able to store the products while I'm in the shop. And I'm going to show you guys the fixture that I use and then also show you how I store it, just so it could be kind of kept away, but it can still be cute and like go along with the decor.
Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give any.
Now, a sister friend of mine actually makes these affirmation, like intentional affirmation handouts, and then she also makes these mental strength training workbooks, and her actual website is lotuslightexpressions, I believe it's .com, but I will put her link down in the description box below so you can go check her out. She has a lot of stuff that's all about like being mindful, affirmations, like positive self-talk and everything like that. So I will put her down in the description box below. Also, we just freaking got these. I'm super excited because these are my favorite incense, and I get a lot of people when they come to the shop asking me like, oh, Hadida, you know, what incense is that burning or whatever when they come for their Yoni steam. So we just got the Nag Champa in. There's 12 sticks per pack. And then we also got these really cool chakra, Galaka chakra incense. And there's also about 12 sticks per pack in those. We also have these 3 different incense that you can burn on the charcoal. And then we have all of our incense and charcoal holders. We have our jade face rollers, we have our incense holders, and then a whole slew of different crystals that customers can pick from. And don't mind this, the container is just dirty, but it's something that we have to put out. It's actually some incense from Senegal as well. Now, yesterday I did show these in the reveal that I did, the reveal video, but these are our chakra sage bundles, and I was freaking excited when I found them because I feel like a lot of times it's really hard to find like, you know, really good quality sage, and these are so freaking pungent. So if you're interested in chakra bundles, go check those out on the website. We also have chakra Palo Santo sticks that are being uploaded tonight, and as well as blue sage, as well as these are 4-inch blue sage, but we also have the regular sage bundles, which I will show you in a second. Okay, so I typically use like these 8 cube holders in the shop to be able to like store product in and then have like extras underneath when needed. So here are our 28-day bundles. I'm in the process of actually putting these out and featuring them in the shop, which is why it's there. These are our like eco-friendly disposable pads that we carry. These are our Yoni semen bowls that we carry, and then along the bottom here is where I put all the storage. Excuse the spot, but this is where I put all the storage. So we're going to restock all of our extra items that we have from the haul recently that I just did yesterday for Zen by Yoni Love Herbals. We're going to put all of those here. These are our 9-inch sage bundles that we just got in. Super excited about these. I have to get like a really cute like container to hold those, which is why I'm just going to put them underneath for now. These are our Palo Santo sticks that you saw in the display over there. These are our chakra sage bundles that are 4-inch. And then we also have the regular 4-inch, and I also have to get a container for these as well, another glass container. Okay, so now that we've stocked all of the Zen by Yoni Love Herbals products into our storage area, now we're going to put away our Yoni semen gowns. But first, before I do that, let me make one tip here. If you don't have it and you are like owning a Yoni semen business, I really suggest that you get you an easel. So this is an easel, really simple. Let me show you. So I have like an easel, okay? And I literally just like wipe my easel off. But it's the way that I advertise that we're open. So if you don't have one, get you an easel. You can find them for really cheap. Put you like a really good waterproof lacquer on it, so in case it rains, it's still okay. Get you some chalk, like those chalk markers, and write on there, we're open, or like, hey, come in, and then put like the sale that you're having at the time that you're like running the sale. Put that on your easel and then put it outside your business, and it will help to draw like customers in. So that's my one tip for today. Okay, so another tip that I have is for you when you're storing your Yoni semen gowns, like so that customers can smell the freshness of them, like even if it's a minute that they're like sitting in your storage bin of whatever, you know, whatever kind of storage bin you're using. I take and I'll put some fabric sheets in between my Yoni semen gowns so that they still have the fragrance of the softener even after they're put away. Now, I don't use like, I know some people are like, girl, get Gain, that's gonna, you know, your scent gonna be lasting forever. I don't use Gain. I don't use any of those like, you know, regular market detergents. I actually use like the non-toxic chemical-free detergent from my wellness club. And the reason why I switched over like all of the detergents and things like that was because I wanted to make sure that my customers were having a toxin-free Yoni steaming session. Like the stuff that we sanitize our Yoni semen chairs with, the stuff that we wipe down our candles with, the stuff that we wash our gowns in, like all of that our customers are coming in contact with. So it's really important to me that when my customers come in here, like the same way that I'm caring for my family, I care for my customers. So I make sure that I don't use any toxins like on their Yoni semen gowns. I only use toxin-free cleaners like as I'm sanitizing, and I'll show you that whole process in another video. But anyway, let's continue to put our Yoni semen gowns away.
I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game?
Okay, and so my last tip is we're dealing with my Yoni Steamer gowns and like how I do my Yoni Steamer, preparing for my Yoni Steamer clients. I get a lot of my blankets. These are like those mainstay Walmart brand blankets. These are really soft to the touch. They're large enough that you can actually, you know, drape your client in up top and down bottom, like when they're sitting on their Yoni Steamer stool. And I always get like a plenty of these. Like anytime they go on sale, I get plenty of them. So this is the particular color that I have right here for these, but I always get like 4 or 5 of them, and I suggest them because they're cheap, they're cost effective. I don't want to say cheap, they're cost effective, but you're also going to be able to easily wash these and dry them without them shrinking up. And that's really important when you're like, you know, picking out your blankets and stuff like that, because you're going to be washing them a lot. So you want to get a material that's not going to shrink up and become, you know, the size of a 1x1 square, but at the same time you want to be able to clean and sanitize them on a regular basis.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now?
Okay, so we have restocked our castor oil. We put away ours in by Yoni Love Herbal's collection that we just got in, and we have folded and put away all of our Yoni Steamer gowns and our Yoni Steamer blankets. Today is also, as I mentioned earlier, and besides it being the 12/12 portal, it's also the new moon. So tonight I'm going to be going live on TikTok, and I'm getting ready to prepare some spiritual baths just to have for the community. And I'm going to make sure that I do tomorrow's vlog. I'm going to show that process of how like I prepare some spiritual baths, not like everything that goes into them, but I'll, you know, give you a little tutorial about how to do a spiritual bath if you're not familiar with it, and how to prepare one if you want to do one at home. We will be having some that's coming up onto the site for like intention setting and things like that, so I will also put those there, and I will of course let you know when they upload to the site. All right, anyway, I hope that you found this vlog to be fun and to be enjoyable. If you have not already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, push the notification bell so you can be updated each and every time I upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's go on and end this video so we can get to the next one. Peace until next time.